Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Square payments and tax settings in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, visit the Square website at squareup.com. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. If you already have an account, click Login instead. Enter your email address, create a password, and fill in your business details. Once your account is created, log in to your Square dashboard. Navigate to the Settings option on the left sidebar. Choose Payments from the drop-down menu. In the Payments section, locate Payment Methods. Here, you will see options to enable various payment methods. To enable Square Payments, ensure the box next to Square Payments is checked. Next, navigate back to the Settings section. Select Taxes from the list. To set up taxes, click Add a Tax button. Enter the relevant tax name, such as sales tax. Input the appropriate tax rate for your state. Choose whether to apply this tax to all items or specific categories. Save your new tax settings. It's essential to ensure that your tax settings comply with state regulations. Next, go to the Items section in the sidebar. Select Item Library to add or modify your items. For each item, you can specify which tax applies. Once your items are updated, return to the dashboard. Check that Square Payments is functioning correctly by conducting a test transaction. Ensure to verify that the correct tax is applied during checkout. After testing, monitor your transactions regularly. Adjust tax settings as needed to ensure accuracy. Make sure to stay updated with any local tax rate changes. You are now ready to accept payments and calculate taxes effectively with Square in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.